और सीधे राज्यसभा लिए चलते हैं आपको।
By the members, please, honorable members, it is with profound sorrow that I refer to the passing away of Sriman Balbir K. Punji, Sriman Swapan Sadhan Boji, Sriman Rangasai Ramakrishna ji, Sriman H. Hanumandappa ji, former members of this House, and His Holiness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, Father Amir of the State of Qatar. Sriman Balbir K. Punji passed away on the 18th of April 2026 at the age of 76. He was a member of the Rajya Sabha representing the state of Uttar Pradesh from 2000 to 2006 and Odisha from 2008 to 2014. Born on the 2nd October 1949 at Lalowal in Gurdaspur district of Punjab, Sriman Balbir Punji was an eminent journalist, author, thinker, and public intellectual. He began his professional career in journalism and earned recognition for his incisive writings and analytical commentary on issues of national importance. Sriman Balbir Punji also authored widely acclaimed books reflecting his deep interest in India's civilizational heritage, public policy, and national affairs. He also served as the chairman of National Commission for Youth under the Government of India. In the passing away of Sriman Balbir K. Punji, the country has lost an eminent parliamentarian, a distinguished journalist, and an accomplished author. Sriman Swapan Sadhan Boji passed away on the 12th of May 2026 at the age of 78 years. He served as the member of the Rajya Sabha representing the state of West Bengal from 2005 to 2011. Born on the 23rd of January 1948 at Howrah in West Bengal, Sriman Boji earned widespread recognition for his distinguished contribution to the promotion and development of football and sports administration in the country. Popularly known as Tutu Bose, Sriman Boji was associated with the historic Mohan Bagan Athletic Club for over 3 decades and also served as its president. His visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to the cause of sports earned him immense respect across the sporting fraternity. He also served as the member of the FIFA Club Task Force representing Indian football in international sporting forums. In his passing, the country has lost an eminent sports administrator, an able parliamentarian, and a devoted public figure. Sriman Rangasai Ramakrishna ji passed away on the 4th of June 2026 at the age of 92 years. He served as the member of the Rajya Sabha representing the state of Karnataka from 2012 to 2018. Born on the 15th of March 1934 at Chidambaram in Kadalur district.